Wow, ganda. May bagong upuan si Jana. Yan. Ganda. Comfortable na gid ang client ani. I'm sick sa mga taong toxic. I'm healed sa mga taong totoo at nagmahal sa akin. Tara! Work na tayo! Wala sa mood. Kapoy man karon adlaw oy, magtrabaho. Pero tungod kay inahan man, wa joy mahimo. Kinahanglan jud magtrabaho. Work na. Good morning everyone. Have a good day. Work na pod.
Happiness is a choice, not something that happens to you. Nothing around you will make you happy until you decide to be happy. No person can give you happiness unless you choose it for yourself. Your happiness will not come to you. It can only come from you.